Very, very interesting. A lot of knowledge. I have learnt so much because I was stuck, and I'm going home with a lot of knowledge, and I'm ready to go and start launching my products.
Fantastic. Did you get any product ideas this weekend?
Oh, there is products out there, but other people have got them, and I'm quite happy with that. So a lot of the feedback, but I've got my own products, my own niches. So I'm just moving forward with them at the moment.
Fantastic. And would you recommend this training for anyone else looking to get into the Amazon business?
Oh, look, for sure. This is the best move that I had, and now I'm just so pumped. I actually want to go to the Canton Fair in October.